Hello everyone, this is Erol. I am a professional photographer, videographer and YouTuber. In this video, I will be reviewing a new gimbal for AFI. In my first video review for AFI, I have reviewed AFI GoPro Hero Action Camera Gimbal. And you can see the video link in the description section down below. And in this video, I will be reviewing a new gimbal for smartphones. It's called AFI V3 3-axis Handheld Smartphone Gimbal. Let's start our review by opening the box to see what's inside. Now let's open the box. This is the user's manual for Gimbal V3. This is English side, this is Chinese side. This is guarantee document. This is silica gel. This is counterweight. We need this counterweight when we are balancing our smartphone on the gimbal. It comes with 4 batteries. Battery type is 18,350 900 milliamps battery. We need 2 of them to operate the gimbal and 2 others is separate batteries. This is the charger, charging cables, and finally our gimbal. Our gimbal looks like Zhiyun Smooth Q. Yeah, almost the same. Next we will insert the batteries to turn on gimbal and then we will see the modes of the gimbal. Let's insert the batteries. Battery cover is a little hard to take out. Battery goes in like that. And now we are ready to turn on the gimbal. These are the buttons of the gimbal. With this screw you can put it on a light stand or a tripod. This is the control joystick. This is mini USB slot. Let's get ready to use gimbal. Connect counterweight. Connect tripod or monopod plate. Place it on tripod. Place your smartphone. And long press power button to power on gimbal. And now our gimbal is on. And now let me show you the modes of the gimbal. When I first turn on the gimbal, it will be in heading following mode, which means semi-following mode. It will only follow my hand movements. When I turn it to the right, it will move to the right like that. When I turn it to the left, it will move to the left. It will not move upwards or downwards. Second mode is all following mode. I just need to press mode button. It will be all following mode. Just like this. It is following downwards when I move to downwards. It is following upwards when I move it to upwards. And it is following to the right. And it is following to the left. So it is following to all directions. This is all following mode. The third mode is all locking mode. When I double click on mode button, like this, the gimbal will be in all locking mode. It will not move to any direction. I am moving it to the right, I am moving it to the left, I am moving it upwards and I am moving it to downwards, but the gimbal is not moving to any direction that I am moving. So because the axes are all locked. And the fourth mode is vertical shooting mode. In order to bring the gimbal to vertical shooting mode, just remove your mobile phone. Rotate the mobile phone holder to vertical position like that. Place your mobile phone again. In order to balance the gimbal, we need to remove this counterweight. So now it will be in balance. So when we turn on our gimbal, I am turning it on. Now we can shoot vertically. So this is vertical shooting mode. And now we are in the fifth mode. Fifth mode is point and lock mode. When the gimbal is like that, when you move to a direction and keep it there half second, the gimbal pitch axis will be locked in this position. Now as you see, it is locked in this position. So this is point and lock mode. And the sixth and the last mode is inverting mode. To bring the gimbal to inverting mode, just move it like that, move it down like that. As you see, mobile phone is getting inverted and now it is in inverting mode. So when you want to get close to the subject that you are shooting, you can use it like that. And to bring it back to normal position, just move it back, just like that. So it is in normal position again. So this is called inverting mode. As you have seen, we have checked all 6 different modes of this AFI V3 gimbal. This AFI V3 smartphone gimbal can also be used by an application in your smartphone. And now let me show you how to use it from your smartphone. Search for Selfie Robot application in Play Store. After downloading and installing, turn on Bluetooth, run the application and choose gimbal as your device. When the application starts, this is the main menu you will see. For an accurate face detection, choose the app Smart Detection from the settings. And this is the face detection options. Click on the application in the smartphone. Choose gimbal. Choose front camera. And then choose face detection. This is face detection. Okay, now it is detecting the face. Yes. Stay there. Okay, just move to left a little bit. Okay. Come close to the camera, just a little bit. Okay. Yes. Yeah, this was the photo mode. Let's go to video mode. This is video mode. Press video camera icon to start recording. Let's activate face detection. Yes, okay, now move. Yeah. Okay, enough. Yeah, to the left. As you see, face detection is working perfectly. To the right. Okay. Let's use photo mode. Just come close to the camera. Let's stay somewhere there. Okay, let's exit here. And then let's take a photo. Just click on here to take a photo. Yes, just like this. Thank you very much for helping us to take this video, Aarni. This AFI V3 smartphone gimbal can also be used with a GoPro Hero action cameras. To be able to use with GoPro Hero action cameras, we need that kind of adapter. Let me connect it to our gimbal. Just remove your smartphone. And then connect this one here. And then let me turn it on. Now as you see, AFI V3 smartphone gimbal is now a GoPro Hero action gimbal. Let me remove it from the monopod. Now I am using it as a GoPro Hero action camera gimbal. Just like this. And all modes will be working. Moving upwards, moving downwards. It is in semi-following mode now. When I move it to the left, it is turning to the left. When I move it to the right, it is moving to the right. Lock mode. It is in lock mode now. In lock mode, I can use joystick to move it upwards, to move it downwards, and then move to the right and move to the left. So same as Zhiyun Smooth Q, AFI V3 smartphone gimbal can be used as a GoPro Hero action camera gimbal as well. We can also use this joystick button to move gimbal upwards and downwards, or to the left or to the right as well. But in order to use this joystick button, the gimbal must be in lock mode. Let's put it into lock mode by double pressing on mode button. Yes, now the gimbal is in lock mode. When it is in lock mode, just move this button upwards. It is moving upwards. Move it down. It is moving downwards. Move it to the right. It is moving to the right. And move it to the left. It is moving to the left. So the gimbal must be in lock mode, and also the gimbal must be in semi-following mode as well. In semi-following mode, you can use upwards and downwards. Let me bring it to semi-following mode. Yeah, now the gimbal is in semi-following mode. In semi-following mode, as you see, it is only moving to the right and to the left. So I can use this joystick button to move upwards and move downwards. Let's check the limits, how far it can go. Now I can use it as a selfie gimbal too, as a selfie camera too. You can record the sky like that. You can record whatever is at the bottom, like that. So these are the nice features of this gimbal.
YouTube.